In this video, I will show you how to add currency converter to Shopify store. So the first thing you need to do is just click on settings, and then after that, go ahead and click on apps and sales channels. And then after that, click on Shopify App Store and then search for Nova, press enter, and then go ahead and click on multi-currency converter, and then click on install, and then click on install again. And then as you can see, guys, you need to complete the setup guide. So the first step is we completed to install the app. The second is to edit money format. So to edit this, so watch this video carefully. So go to settings. So to find the settings, I will show you. Here on the left side, just click on it, settings, and then after that, click on general. And then after that, click on 3 dots and then click on change currency formatting. And then we need to edit the HTML here with currency, and then HTML without currency. So to edit this, go back to Nova and then go to customer service and then chat. How to see the HTML something I need to copy and paste. And then here, it will ask you what's your Shopify admin currency. And then after that, you will see here the HTML with currency like that. And then you need to copy it and paste it to the settings of Shopify. So I need to copy this HTML with currency. And then once you copy, go back to this currency formatting and then paste it here. And then go back again, and then next is the without currency, copy it, and then paste it here on HTML without currency, and then click on save. Then once you have done, go back again, and then refresh the page. And as you can see, guys, you are done in edit money format. So the next thing is to customize and preview and enable the currency widget. So we need to enable this, and then click on save. Then after that, you complete the setup guide here. So on the left side, you can also edit if you want to show all currencies like that. So here you can see the currency bar design like that. So I will just check on this, and don't forget to click on save. And then you can also click choose on show flag and currency like that. Here you will see the currency here. You can also change the color of the background and just click on save. Then after that, click on preview the widgets to see it, and then you can choose the currency here, and that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.